guys, live here from Bangkok, Thailand, and today we're doing a pre-fitting on a Mercedes-Benz C Class W205. It's a sedan, aka 4-door, and the customer has chosen some parts. But as always, what we do before we're doing the final installation, we're doing a pre-fitting. This is what this video is about. Enough for the talking, let's check out the car and see if the parts fit or not. EMC Live. First of all, you need to consider that the latest model, the W205, has a facelift. So there's a pre-2019 and after 2019. Then you have to differentiate between the normal C Class, AMG Style G Class, and the real AMG C Class. And if that's not enough, on top of that, you probably have these three models as a sedan, 4-door, and as a coupe. So there's probably 6 different models. Back with this SL, it was also still pretty simple back then. You had either this or this. But as we just saw with the C Class, it's not like that nowadays anymore. Even though we have a rear diffuser, which is supposedly for the 4-door sedan, it didn't fit. And then finally the diffuser that we had, which is supposedly for the AMG, it fitted, even though it had different exhaust tips. So better do a fitting or check with us before you order anything. We're here, we like to answer all questions, and we have a big database by now. We know what fits and what doesn't. And don't buy just anything randomly on the internet, or you might end up like having a part that doesn't fit. So the parts are back into the packing for now. Now we know what fits. Car will come back probably in a few days to do the final installation. This is also it for the video. We hope you liked it. If you liked the video, kindly hit it with a thumbs up. Or if you didn't like it, you know the drill, hit it with a thumbs down. We don't mind. As a matter of fact, we encourage you to do so because we want to know how we can improve. We want to give you good content. What also helps us if you can subscribe to our channel. And if you hit that little bell icon, you'll be notified next time we upload a new video. And of course, as always, leave us as many comments, not only about what you liked or didn't like, also what you like to see in the future. And then I can say thank you very much for watching one more time, and I'll see you next time with hopefully the content that you like us to do. Until then, EMC Live.